it's me, Allegra. I'm hopping on tonight with some new makeup 2024. I have this new foundation here from Halsey. She has come out with a makeup line and it's called About Face, and this is a clean beauty makeup line. This is a skincare infused foundation, and this is said to be very lightweight on the skin. It does have 17 skincare ingredients in it, so that sounds very intriguing. And it does retail for $22, so that's a great price point. I think it's pretty affordably priced, and it does seem very bougie. The bottle in itself, the packaging is stunning, but I haven't tried it out yet, so let's go ahead and test this out together. I do have a few other things that we can test out as well. So without further ado, let's just dive right into this video. And before we do, make sure you watch this video till the end because I am having a giveaway today and I'm going to insert it right now. So beauties, that's the giveaway. Just make sure again that you watch this video till the end. Also be a subscriber and give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. So let's go ahead now and jump right into this new makeup 2024. Now I do have on my face right now the Hourglass primer. That primer is it gives you a whitened effect to your skin, I think. What do you beauties think? But this is it right here. If you beauties have tried this before, I do feel like it gave me a more brightened effect to my skin, I guess you would call it. And then dolls, on my eyes, I have this palette here that I just got in my Ipsy box, and this is from Pear Nova. I was so shocked. Actually, if I knew how beautiful this was, I would have showed it to you guys in a video because this palette here is absolutely gorgeous. Each shadow just blends so effortlessly into the other. This shade here in particular is just so unique and so different. These are gorgeous, and this is absolutely stunning. The shimmer, this is the one that I'm wearing today. So I just wore these right here, the golds, and then this nude toned here, and then this deeper tone and this gold shimmer, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I was really shocked, and also it's a pretty small size, which I like as well because it's easy to take with you on the go and fit into your makeup bag. So anyway, dolls, let's go ahead now and jump into this foundation. Now I'm gonna just apply, let's see how you do it. I'm not sure, this is my first time, but okay. Maybe I should shake it first. Oh, it's kind of hard to get out, but yes, they did. I was reading it. It has a giant doe foot applicator, and it does. And I was reading, a lot of people say this feels so good on your skin. It doesn't have a scent. No, it doesn't have a scent, so I love that. And then, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and put it on. Let's see. It does feel very cushiony on my skin. It actually does feel so good. So here is how it's applying. It really feels incredible. I was reading about it and I was reading different reviews and people were saying it felt so good. And actually even this applicator feels so good because the sponge on it is just very soft and large. So it's really just feels like it's massaging my face almost. Wow, I'm so shocked. I wasn't expecting that. I did read it, but you read a lot of things and it's not always, you don't experience what these people are saying for themselves or reviews, but this actually is unbelievable. It feels so good. And my eyes, I feel like it's just moisturizing my under eye area where I generally do have fine lines and wrinkles. I actually feel like it plumped up my under eye circles and my under eye wrinkles. Wow. And most things just settle into them. And it's just melting into my skin too. I don't even feel like I need to do a lot of blending. Wow, this is amazing. And guys, $22 is pricey, but most foundations at Sephora now are at least $40. So, and then this is Clean Beauty. And it does have those skincare ingredients, 17 different skincare ingredients. And they said that it comes in 45 different shades as well. I got the light neutral shade and it's just a perfect match. So what do you beauties think? Can you see a difference between each side? I feel like it even concealed my dark circles and it gave luminosity to my skin. It feels good. It feels almost nourishing and hydrating. So this is incredible. Let me go ahead and do this side. Oh, I'm still using my same one. This is one dip in. Wow. Let me go ahead and take one more out for the other side. This is great because this is the kind of foundation I like to wear. You know, this is like the Chanel foundation, except it's, you know, the Chanel foundation is 3 times more in price, but this actually gives more coverage. But it has the skincare ingredients like the Chanel foundation. That's what I liked about it. It had all these skincare ingredients, but this one says that they have these skincare ingredients in it. And I do believe they do because I feel it feels so good. And I'm seeing a difference. I'm seeing a visible difference basically immediately because I really do have a lot of fine lines under my eyes. And this is just basically so soothing. And it looks to even be plumping up those fine lines under my eyes. And you don't even need hardly any blending. It melts into your skin and it's hydrating, but it doesn't feel oily. Where actually, even in comparison, but the Makeup by Mario foundation, I don't believe that's clean beauty, but that does feel more oily in comparison. This actually is drying down and it doesn't feel matte, but it kind of feels like a matte foundation in that it just doesn't feel oily. Even the Giorgio Armani foundation, these kind of these serum like foundations, they will, you know, and I have oily skin, so I just like how soothing they feel and weightless, but a lot of them do feel oily. It feels like it just dried down immediately. It does not feel oily, but it feels so good. Wow, I'm so happy I got this. And I'm so happy I came and tried this with you because are you guys like me? But sometimes you're just having a bad day and then you play with your makeup. And usually, you know, that's why I did my eyes. Usually I do my eyes and it uplifts me. But this foundation has truly uplifted me more than anything. It's amazing. Guys, can you see that? And then actually I do have the new Fenty concealer here. So let me go ahead and put a little bit of this on. This is very nice. Now this has a doe foot applicator, but I hope you could see, but it's bent, which is really nice because it's fitting very nicely under my eyes. And I don't know if you could see, but it's just kind of hugging this area right in here. So oh, and it's just so precise, this applicator. So you could really do a lot, carve out your nose or probably even sculpt over here if you want to do some sculpting. I like to use the concealer like a highlighter over here as well, or even here, or even normally I don't do that much, but this is so precise. It's like, oh, it's almost like an amazing brush. So let's go ahead and press that in now. And let me get a different brush. This concealer is so good. My other Fenty concealer I used up. I went through the whole bottle. And, you know, I have a lot of concealer, so I usually don't use them up. But I really like the formulation of the Fenty concealer. And it's very weightless as well. It has never settled into my fine lines. What I really like about the Fenty concealer is that it does a lot to highlight and brighten your face as well as conceal. And it's totally weightless. And so I think it's an amazing concealer. So I am loving that. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly set this under eye situation. So beauties, this is how it looks set. I did add some blush, just the Dior blush. Let me go ahead and grab it for you dolls. But it's this blush here, just it's beautiful blush, Rosy Glow in Cherry. So this is actually the cherry blush. So this is really nice. It gives you a beautiful flush of color. It also does have primarily plant-based ingredients. That's the new formula. So of the Dior Cosmetics. So they are reformulated now to be primarily clean beauty ingredients. So now I have this here. How gorgeous does this look, beauties? This is new from Too Faced. This is from their new Fantasy Factory. This is actually the Disco Crush for face and eyes. So, and this one is called Heart Eyes. So I'm just going to pop a little bit on my eyes just to give it a try. But isn't it gorgeous? It's this beautiful copper shade, but it does have a shift and it's just absolutely gorgeous looking. So I'm going to put a little bit of this on just over my lid, but I do have on that Pear Nova palette, but I just want to try a little bit of this. So this is just a new glitter formula from Too Faced. How gorgeous is that? Oh my gosh, can you see that? This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I need more of these. I wonder if they have more because this is the only one that I have here. This one they did send me, so I'm gonna go look online because I would love another one of these in kind of opalesque shade. Oh, I love those opal glitters. If they have a color like that, a shade, I would just lose it. You guys see that shift? It's just unbelievably gorgeous. It has these pearlized pigments. That is just beyond. And as it moves, it just shifts. I hope it's shifting for you beauties. I hope you can see, but it's absolutely gorgeous. So creamy, so beautiful. And these are, again, small batch. So they might even be limited edition. So if you guys like this, I will hopefully be able to link it in the shop with YouTube feature app down below. But if it's not, I'll put it in the comments. I'll put it somewhere because this is just so gorgeous, you guys. I'm in love with it. Now for the lips beauties, this is unbelievable. I did kind of just do a quick demo when I unboxed it in a PR unboxing video. But I have to tell you, have you beauties tried this? This is the Milk Makeup Cooling Water Jelly Tint. Now, when I tried it with you beauties, I was so shocked. I couldn't believe how easily it blends over, for example, over powder. I could put it on right now over the powder and it will still blend. But what's really also really special, I mean, that's amazing. But not only does this feel so good on your lips, but it lasts so long. It's completely budge proof. Oh, it feels so good. It's definitely hydrating, moisturizing. Actually, now I do want to put some more on because it just feels so good. You just don't want to stop. And you don't even need brushes. It just blends like a dream with your fingers. So you can do your makeup on the go with this very easily. You don't need any, special tools or anything. You can just pop it on and it lasts. That's what's so unique and so special. And I love to pair it with a lip liner. And it just stays, especially this hourglass lip liner. This lip liner is also very long lasting. And yeah, this lip is not going to budge on you. So beauties, this is pretty much the finished look. If you want to add some lip oil on top, which I really love doing, I'm not going to lie, I'm just going to pop some lip oil on top of this lip stain. So I just popped on, this is the House Labs lip oil, the pH. I believe this is the pH color changing. So love this. So this is the finished look. Finally, dolls. Oh my goodness. That foundation is a must-have. It is incredible. It feels so good on my skin. It feels weightless. It has those clean beauty ingredients. It has 17 skincare ingredients in it. I can't stop saying it. It's just amazing. So I highly recommend the foundation. I will have everything shown today linked with the shop with YouTube feature right down below in the kind of shopping shelf or right in this video, right on the left-hand corner. There's a little icon. You could just click it and shop this video. And this About Face foundation is available at Ulta. So generally, a few times I've seen where when you shop with YouTube, they'll have even a $10 off coupon. So maybe that coupon is active now. Let me know down below if you're able to take advantage and get that coupon, because then you'll get this foundation for basically, $12. But that's pretty much it, beauties. Don't forget to enter today's giveaway. Let me know if you've tried this foundation yet. Let me know your thoughts down below, or have you tried the Milk Jelly Tints? Those are amazing. Everything today has been unbelievable, like 10 out of 10. So I could not recommend these makeup items more. And so if you liked today's video, definitely don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more beauty content, and also to take part in today's giveaway. Comment Glam Fam down below. So I hope you beauties are all doing good. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.